How are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, in this class, we are going to see a new concept. Let's see one by one. Food and hygiene. Children, can you tell me why do we need a food? Our body needs energy to do any work. For example, we need energy for playing, studying, and even for sleeping. But children, can you tell me where do we get this energy from? Yes, food gives us the energy we need for carrying out all our activities. Well, now, children, all living beings eat food to get energy. Listen, the food that we get changed into energy. Listen, this energy is used to carry out different functions of our body. We cannot live without food. Children, can you tell me what is the importance of food? Yes, food gives us energy. Food helps us to fight disease. Food helps us to grow. Food keeps us healthy and fit. Children, now we are going to recall about types of food. Listen, it is of four types: energy giving food, body building food, protective food, and water and refuge. Let's recall one by one. Children, can you tell me what is called energy giving food? Listen, the food items which gives us energy are called energy giving food. For example, rice, wheat, and potatoes. Children, now we are going to recall about bodybuilding food. Children, can you tell me what is meant by bodybuilding food? Yes, you are right. Listen, the food that helps our body to grow taller and stronger is called bodybuilding food. For example, milk, curd, cheese, eggs, nuts, food grains, pulses, peas, etc. These are all bodybuilding foods. Children, now we are going to recall about protective food. Can you tell me what is meant by protective food? Listen, food that keeps us healthy and protect us from disease is called protective food. For example, green leaf, vegetable and fruits. Children, can you tell me what is meant by water and roughage? Listen, whole grains, cereals, green and raw vegetables, and fruits that we eat contain a very important substance called roughage. Listen, roughage helps our body to carry out the process of digestion smoothly. So, we must drink about 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Our body also get water from many vegetables and fruits. Children, now we are going to recall about balanced diet. Listen, the meals we eat should include some food of each kind. A balanced diet is the one of that has energy giving food items, body building food items, protective food items, enough water and roughage. Listen, milk is a complete food, so we must drink milk daily. Children, now we are going to see about keeping food clean. Listen, food should always be kept covered. If we keep food uncovered or in the open, flies and insects sit on it and leaves germs which they bring from dirty place. So, if we eat food that has germs and dust in it, so we can fall sick. Children, listen, we should washing vegetables and fruits. Listen, we must wash vegetables and fruits before eating them. Washing them well with water removes all the harmful substance and germs from the food. Children, now we are going to learn about washing hands. See, dirty hands carry germs which we cannot see. These germs cause illness. So we must wash our hands with soap before and after eating. Children, now we are going to learn about keeping utensils clean. Listen, the utensils used for cooking and for eating should always be washed well before use. So, you should serve food in clean dishes only. Children, now we are going to learn about eating fresh food. Listen, it is always good to eat freshly cooked food. Listen, cooked food must therefore be stored in the refrigerator if it has to be eaten later. Children, now we are going to learn about regular exercise. Listen, we must exercise regularly. It keeps us healthy. So, walking is a very good exercise. Children, now we are going to learn about yoga. Listen, yoga keeps our mind and body healthy. Listen carefully. International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on 21st June. So, yoga is an invaluable gift of India, ancient tradition. Children, now it's time for worksheet. Do question number 8, page number 8 in workbook. The question is read the clues and complete the puzzles. First one, these two are non-vegetarian bodybuilding foods. Next, these two are made from milk and gives us energy. Next, these two are tasty and popular junk food. One more question. Do question number 9, page number 9 in workbook. The question is select food items from the pictures given below and create a balanced diet. You would like to eat. Write the names of food items in the space given below. Children, one more worksheet. Do the application part, page number 11, 12 in workbook. The question is collect two pictures of each type of food. Paste them in the space given below. Energy giving food, body building food, protective food. First question, name all the food items you have pasted. Next question, do you eat all the food items which have pasted? Next question, write the names of 3 food items you like to eat and 3 that you dislike. Next question, how did you feel? Fifth question, I completed the application in dash. They are days. Children, do the creative part, page number 13 or 14 in workbook. Children, listen, it has 3 works. You have to do only one work for this. First one, draw or paste picture depicting good eating habits, or write few lines on any 3 good eating habits, or speak few lines about any 3 good eating habits. Children, upload your work to Google Classroom app. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.